Hi, welcome to the channel. This is Audi A5, I think 2 liter. I'm not 100% sure. But however, this car came to me and asked, Charlie, can you do the glow plugs? I said to them, yes, I can. Basically, what happened, he went to the another garage and they said, you need to do the glow plugs, and that garage couldn't do the job, and they came to me. Right. First of all, I'm going to inside the car and I'll show you what happened in the dashboard. Right, you can see the top engine management light on, TPMS tire pressure monitoring system on, and this side also glow plug on and tire pressure light on. Because of this glow plug sign, could be they assuming he need to do the glow plugs, or might be they done the diagnostic, I'm not sure. However, I'm not depend with other garages diagnostic, because if they done the wrong, I'm ending with the wrong repair. Then I don't want to do that way. Because of that, I'm always plug in my computer and I'm always take my own diagnostic. We'll see there is a two faulty code for the under engine management. You can see U111300 function limitation due to receive malfunction value. Right, and there is another faulty code P023700 turbocharger boost sensor A circuit low input. Right, now you can see previous garage mentioned to him you need to do the glow plugs, but once I check with my system, I didn't get any faulty code for the glow plugs. If I do the glow plugs, customer ending with unnecessary paying or unnecessary repair, and sometimes he's upset with me too, because I'm the person who attend to the job. Right, yeah, that's a good scenario for you also. Well, don't going to depend with other diagnostic. Right, okay, I'm going to enter. Yeah, this is the two faulty code I got before. Right, first of all, I'm going to switch off the engine and ignition on and try to delete these faulty codes. We'll see. Yeah, function limitation. Yeah, I couldn't reset that one. However, I reset the turbo problem, but I'm going to start the car. I feeling I done the big mistake, because I don't want to reset this light actually. Yeah, again go back and read DTC. Yeah, lucky. Yeah, this one came back straight. Right, I'm going to exit, go to the live data, and anything for the freeze frame. Yeah, same two faulty code for the freeze frame also. Well, no worries. Data stream, you can see the particulate filter air pressure 32 millibars while car idle. It's bit high, it need to be 10 no less than 10. When I rev, RPM 2500. Right, you can see, yeah, it's around 100. Yeah, it's not good. However, first of all, we need to find out, we talking which sensor. Then after that, replace the sensor. After that, I need to clean the DPF, because of this warning, DPF not regen. While I do the sensor, still DPF not going to regen, because DPF count very high. Because of that, we need to clean the DPF also. Well, bring it back to normal. Then after that, all emission system should be okay. Right, first of all, I'm going to switch off the car and go to the engine bay, and we'll see what's going on engine bay. Right, need to open this cover. Okay, right, now we have a bit doubt, because this is the turbo pressure sensor, and also there is a another sensor. We talk about the turbo pressure sensor A, one here, and there is another sensor for the exhaust pressure, right? One, two, three. We have now three sensors. We have a bit doubt. What I'm going to do, if I'm not sure, if you're not sure, I'm going to create the another faulty code. First of all, I'm going to, this is the sensor I feeling we are talking. Then I'm going to remove this electric connector and check the faulty codes. Right, I already disconnect electric connector. You need to pull this red tab first, then after that quiz, and you can remove the electric connector. Yeah, now I'm going to check with the computer. Also, I noticed one thing. While I start this car, kick the fan, radiator fan, you can see coolant level very low. This car looks like to me overdue the service. If your car overdue service, make sure keep it up to date, because this service also affected to your emission system. Be careful, make sure always maintain the service on time. You can avoid in lot of hassles. Also, I can notice this vehicle has a nice tread good tire. Yeah, but unfortunately I can see here bit chip off from the tire, because I feeling this car always parked too close to the curb. That's why the problem, because when you come into the MOT stage, if it tire good or bad, they definitely say because of this chip, this tire faulty, or they might be adversary. But make sure when you park the car, see the back one also bit scratch, because this is not a my job. If I see something like that, I'm pointed you, because I would like to save your money. That's why I pointed that tires for your reference. Okay, now I create another fault. I remove the connector. Now I'm going to start the car. See, service due. Exactly. I knew that one because coolant very low. Yeah. Anyway, that's another thing I'll inform to the customer. I'm going to ignition on again. Yeah. Go back and read faulty codes. Right. Now I got the faulty codes again. Right. Yeah. This is the new faulty code P023700 turbocharger boost sensor A circuit low input. Here also turbocharger boost sensor A circuit high input. Right. Because low input, I remove the sensor. Now we know exactly which sensor we need to replace. Right. Now you got the answer. Definitely we need to change this sensor. Before that, I'm going to remove this hose and have a look. Sometimes it's this hose can be clogged up, but electrical fault, high voltage, low voltage, definitely creating from the sensor. Because of that, I don't have any doubt. Confidently, I can say I need to change the sensor. Then after that, I'm going to inject DPF chemical from here, this sensor, because this side one is a blank one. You can see this is a blank one, just a pipe. See, just a pipe. I need to remove this side, inject the chemical, or you can remove here this temperature sensor and you can inject the chemical. Either way, easy to view. However, I'm going to remove here and inject the DPF chemical there and clean the DPF. Yeah, then next step, I need to order the parts. Once I get the part, I'll show you how am I going to do this sensor. It's not hard. Basically, one T screw here. Then after that, we can remove this pipe. remove this sensor, install. Yeah, job done. Yeah, I'll show you once I do the job. At the moment I'm waiting for the parts. Thank you. Actually, I know this sensor come with the whole pipe. Basically I'm going to remove the pipe from here because I order from the genuine parts. Then actually I'm going to disconnect this pipe from the bottom. Yeah, if it's hard to remove this hose, use little bit WD-40 to the edge, then you can remove easily. Right, once you apply the WD-40, you need to twist this one. See, it's spinning now, and just pull. Yeah, that's it. Right, if you need a part number, this is the part number. Yeah, okay, then I'm going to leave it everything as it is until Monday. Today is Saturday here, then it will come Monday. Once I get the new part, I'll going to reinstall everything opposite way. It's not hard. Then after that I'll come back to you. Thank you. See you on Monday. Welcome back to the channel. Today Monday morning, another week. Basically last Saturday I stopped the job as it is. I opened the sensor here. This is the old sensor and the old bracket. However, I got the new part from the VW. Yeah, I'm going to open this one. Yeah, it came with the bracket and it's came with the sensor and the tiny hose, but I'm going to make sure this hose won't block. I'm going to blow. Yeah, nice blow there. Then I'm not going to bother because of this clamp very difficult to remove. It's very awkward place, this clamp. Yeah, because of that I'm going to remove here, install new sensor. It's come with the two screw, one here, one there. Install that one. Yeah, that job done. After that I'm going to remove this screw here, remove, and after that I'm going to remove this hose, this one straight. It's going to the here front of the exhaust. Then I'm going to remove that hose here, then inject chemical and leave it the car 15-minute ride running. Job done. Exhaust clean, DPF clean, install the sensor. Then after that I'm going to play with the computer. Once I start to play with the computer, I'll come back to you because this one, you know, I already removed this one. You know how to remove this sensor. Then opposite way install. This one also not hard, just remove, inject the chemical here. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, see you soon. To be honest, I don't like to leave it this one like this way. However, I'm going to top up the coolant. It's not my job actually. Even I don't want to take this one motorway like this because it's causing more problem. Then because of that I'm going to top up coolant. Right, it's in the maximum level. Right, done the cleaning process. not cleaning process, basically inject the chemical, it's in there, fix this one, fix that one, top up coolant. I can't check the oil level. I feeling oil level also not right. However, because this one I couldn't check manually, because of that I'm going to leave it as it is. Right, now time to leave with the car running 15 minutes. I'm going to start the car and leave it running. Then after that I'll come back to you. Okay, yeah, you saw already worn inside disappeared. Remember, it was there glow plug sign here, and uh, what do you call, the engine light on that side. However, both light disappeared without using the computer. That's a good sign. Anyway, I left it running 15 minutes. DPF cleared, all good. And I checked the tire and reset the tire monitoring light also well. Now time to play with the computer. Yeah, you can see service due. I had to ask customer to do the service immediately. Yeah, still there is a 3 faulty codes there, because previous I done the job. That's why on board computer identify straight no fault. But however, we need to give backup support from the computer, otherwise this message will disappear. It's take a longer. Right, clear DTC. Yeah, you can see all engine management section cleared. Before, it's won't allow to clear this faulty code. Anyway, I'm going to start the car and have a one more time look. Right, it's nice and clear. Now I'm going to start the car. Yeah, nice and clear dashboard. Again switch off, again start, again switch off, ignition on, and try to take a faulty code for the under engine control module. See, no DTC. Okay, read faulty code. See, no faulty code. Yeah, another success job. I don't know, previous garage told to him he need to change the glow plugs. If he change the glow plugs, you tell me what happened to him. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you have a like this problem, you know what to do. Also, if you need to join with us on our WhatsApp group, link below, you can click that link and join to the our WhatsApp group. And if you have any question, something, you can ask there. Also, if you need to know how we are going to start new business with 200 pounds, there is another link. Click that link. Have a good idea. Sometime it might be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.